Thanks for checking out this first how-to video for clayartists.org. Let's start with adding your first piece to your gallery. Just click on this plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and it takes you right to the Add Piece page. The only thing that's really required on this is a title for your piece. So you can use it to just jot down an idea, like I want to make a soap holder, or when you first threw something on the wheel, you can put this in and say new bowl. And ideally, you can upload a picture, which is also pretty easy. So you can either click take photo and take it right there, or you can click on your photo library, pick one of your pieces. That's it. You can also select multiple pictures at a time and add them all at once. Once you've done that, you can reorder them if you like. And then literally all you have to do is click save from there. Now, let's say you are one of those people who actually wants to add more detail like me. Then you can click on edit, scroll past your pictures, and add more information. So you can say, this is a new piece I love. You can say how happy you are with it. Really, the only purpose of that is so you can sort your pieces by the ones that you love the most. You can set your share settings to whether you're okay with it being public for anyone on the internet to see, or if you want it only for our community. The other option is partial, which means you only want your pictures to show, but not all of the details of your process. And then private means you want it visible only to you. Form is what did you make? Now, I know in the title I wrote bowl, but these are actually, you could call it a cup or a glass. So I'm going to select both of those. Then I can click on this expand button in the top right, and I can enter in other information. Now, when I click a stage, it autofills today's date. Again, you don't have to do any of this if you don't want to. Just can help you keep track of what's completed and what's not. You can select your clay body search. So let's say I'm searching for 182. You'll see that it shows up, but since I've already recently used it, it's in my recently used list, which I can select and click save. How did I make it? I threw it. And then this is where you can talk about the glazes. So slip, underglaze, glaze, overglaze, whatever it is that you've added or not added, you can choose to include. When you click on one of these, you can add multiple layers. So you can see this is layer 1, layer 2. You can just use the free text box, or you can go in here and search. So let's say I'm looking for royal blue. As I start typing it in, it'll be down below. I'm going to select that, and then I can make some notes here and say I did 3 coats. And I'm going to say, actually I'm going to delete that second layer. And then there's a space for other notes, or a space for you to keep private notes just for yourself. Now, when I look at my project page, I can see all those details. It's nice and compact, so you can take a screenshot and share it with the community. You can open and close certain areas to see more information. But hopefully that is enough to get you started.